Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 10 device, and now I can show you how to set caller ID announcement. So if you want to announce your caller ID, so just open the phone app, click on the three dots button, click settings, scroll down, and here you will see caller ID announcement feature. Click announce caller ID, and now you can set the one of these items. Your device can announce caller ID always or only when using a headset. So I will use this feature because I think it's better, but you need to choose the better function, the better settings for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and bye. See you.